Revolution looks like this. Revolution looks different, radical, new, a break with tradition. It looks like something that hasn't been done yet. It starts with ideas, but moves quickly into action. That's what sets it apart from the rest of history. It's a moment when the right tools and talents converge for the first time. In 1961, Till and McCulloch discovered stem cells in Toronto, changing the face of medicine forever. In 2007, Gordon Keller and Cheryl and Rob McEwen kickstart the revolution. Suddenly, the impossible seems possible. We create, we collaborate, and we cure. Every night we go to bed thinking about it. Every morning we get up and do it. We are the pace-setters. We are the change-makers. This is the new, breathtaking pace of progress. This is what revolution looks like. Introducing the McEwen Stem Cell Institute. Ignite the revolution.